Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change country in Google Play Store. It's really simple and easy. First of all, open up the Google Play Store application here and then simply tap on the profile picture in the top right corner here and go for this payments and subscriptions. Next, you need to go to this payment methods here and you will take into this page. You need to go for this more payment settings here, tap on it. So this will open up in like a browser, so you may need to go and sign in, and you may not. I didn't have to then, but before I did. And then what you want to do is go into the top left and tap on these three bars here, and you need to go down to this settings here. It will take a moment to load, and then you go and see the option for country slash region. You can then click on this pencil icon here, and as you can see, you need to create a new payments profile when you move to a new country or region. So you have to tap on this create new profile and tap on this continue like that, and it will go and take a moment to load, and then you can select your region or country whatever you want. You may be moved to United States for example, or this Antarctica. Just simply tap on this continue and then enter your name and your new address, and that's pretty much it. That's how to change your country in Google Play Store. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.